Are you looking for the best 3000 PSI pressure washers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pressure washers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Karcher Washer Surface Cleaner Attachment, 3200 PSI. The Karcher 15 inches pressure washer promises a clean house within minutes. It provides professional level cleaning service and covers a wide area of 15 inches wide, thanks to its 2 spinning nozzles. The product is able to clean flat areas 4 times faster than ordinary spray nozzles. And it is well matched with gas power washers of up to 3200 PSI with a 1/4 inches quick connect fitting. The product measures 15 x 15 x 6.7 inches, meaning that it comes in a compact size. It is able to remove stakes by keeping the nozzles at a reasonable height that ensures they don't touch the surface. At number 2. Simpson MSH 3125S MegaShot Pressure Washer, 3200 PSI. With the Simpson MegaShot, you have the cleaning power in your palm. It is a powerful product that won't cost you much and will accommodate most of the cleaning needs. Powered by Honda, the product is easy to use and removes grime, mildew, dirt and other material from your surfaces. Forget all those easily destroyed and messy water hoses. This pressure washer comes with a lightweight and flexible hose that is abrasion and kink-free. This means that the product can withstand heavy-duty chores. And just like the best models on the market today, you can easily choose the right nozzle tip to suit your cleaning need. Depending on the surface, choose between 0, 15, 25, and 40 degrees or soap. Since your safety is of utmost concern, the product is well designed to ensure that it doesn't blast easily. It also comes with a safety lockout and is made of heavy gauge materials which are welded together. At number 3. Generac SpeedWash 7122 Pressure Washer System and #40, 3200 PSI and #41. The Generac SpeedWash features a clean smart tech that clean up to 50% faster than other washers. Its ergonomic spray gun enables you to easily change the pressure to suit your need. You can choose pressure for concrete, wood, and car with a touch of a finger. Its attachments include a turbo nozzle that removes grime and dirt 30% fast, power broom for easier cleaning, and soap blaster that sprays the soap 3 times farther. It comes with a 196 cubic centimeters engine that provides maximum cleaning power and performance to leave you satisfied. Also, you get a 30 feet high pressure hose that is flexible and kink-free. Moreover, you can interchange the nozzles to suit your cleaning needs. Clean smarter. Clean up to 50 stir. Power dial ergonomic spray gun allows you to easily adjust the pressure needed between 4 different tasks: car, wood, concrete and soap at your fingertips. At number 4. 1PW31 Gas Pressure Washer, 3100 PSI. The 1PW31 uses a powerful 208 cubic centimeters engine pump that delivers up to 2.5 gallons per minute. It also comes with 5 quick connect nozzles that range from 0 degrees to 40 degrees. The 5th nozzle is for soap. Another feature of the unit is the axial cam pump that delivers a reliable spray while improving the life of the pressure washer. It also comes with 12 inches wheels that make it easier to move around, no matter the terrain. The pressure washer also comes with 30 feet reinforced hose that can withstand high application. An onboard soap tank makes it easier to use the cleaner since you don't need to carry the soap with your hand or apply manually. Other features include a 2-year warranty and a quick connect spray gun. Powerful 208 cubic centimeters 4-stroke OHV engine pumps 2.5 gallons per minute. For general use, above 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 W for stroke engine oil is recommended. Includes a 30-foot reinforced hose, an onboard soap tank, a quick connect spray gun, and a 2-year warranty. At number 5. Simpson Cleaning MS60763S MegaShot Pressure Washer, 3100 PSI. With 3100 PSI being on offer, this product makes washing easy and removes all stubborn grime and dirt from all your surfaces. Whether you want to blast mildew or strip old paint, this device will do the job for you. It also comes with safety features that protect you. These features include a welded steel frame, heavy-duty design, among others. The trigger also comes with a safety lockout that prevents the gun from accidental pulls. Another feature of the washer is its low-maintenance construction, while it continues to be durable. You not only enjoy top cleaning performance, but you also don't need to worry about the unit's well-being. The product has a 2-year warranty and is among the most affordable models out there. A powerful, reliable, maintenance-free OEM Technologies axial cam pump delivers 3,100 PSI at 2.4 GPM and includes thermal relief to prevent overheating. Welded steel frame construction with a powder-coated finish adds durability.